Alright guys, so in this video we are going to talk about adding your checkout link. So this is really important for you guys to understand how to do, especially if you are in the advanced course where you're ready to really start making these sales. Chances are you're going to be needing this link whether or not you put it into your website, but either way you need to learn how to do this. This is very important no matter what website you're using, whether it be Wix or Weebly, or if you're buying one. So you can see I have my buttons here, but I'm going to show you how to add it yourself. So click add, and this is on the Wix site, as you guys can see, not Weebly. I personally do not use Weebly. You can if you choose to, but honestly I hate it. It's difficult. It's really hard to get it to look nice on mobile, and it just overall has more problems. Okay, so once you pick what button you're gonna have, there's lots of styles. First thing you're gonna do, I apologize guys, my computer is really slow whenever I am doing this. Okay, so change text. You can put whatever you want. I always put on mine join now. And then where it says where does this link to, that's how you're going to change the link. Always click web address, and now it has the spot for you to put the URL. Okay, so in order to find the URL, you're going to go to our training group here on Facebook, which we go to the pinned post, scroll all the way down to step 7. Right here is what you're going to copy. So you're going to copy this. Make sure you do the whole thing. There is a space between the H and the T, and there is nothing at the end of the equal sign. You will need to add, as this says, you will need to add your username from TBC Matrix on the end of this. So let's go back here, paste it, get rid of the space, and go back to the end. Okay, now you're going to go to your TBC Matrix, number login. Mine's already all set. Okay, then you're going to go to account and login info. Right here, this is what you need. Current username. If you don't have one or you don't like what it says, you can change it. There is a spot to change it. I'm not sure if it, yep, new username right here. So this is what you need. So you're going to copy this and then go back to the link all the way at the end after the equal sign. It has to be after, and that equal sign has to be there. Okay, and then done. So now it's linked. Make sure your button looks nice, guys. Don't just leave things oddly shaped and oddly sized. Always make sure things are centered with where they need to be and such. So now you have that join now button. Always make sure that you check to see if your button works and that you're receiving and publishing. So make sure that everything on your site works, as well as your connect with me on Facebook thing. All you're going to do for the connect with me on Facebook is you're going to go to Facebook, go to your account, and copy this entire link. Copy. And then you'll go back to your editor. Of course, you're going to put a button. You're going to do the same thing with the link. Obviously, mine's already linked, but then you'll paste it. You can do your business page. That is perfectly fine. I have my business page on there because that's where I do everything. So, guys, that is how to do the checkout link. Do not overthink this. Don't let yourself get overwhelmed by it. It's really, really simple. You know, no one should really be struggling with it. If you are having issues with getting it to work, chances are either there's a space somewhere that's not supposed to be, the equal sign is not there, or you just don't have the correct username. So again, for TBC, you'll log in, go to account, then login info, and it's going to be the top one where it says current username. Alright guys, so that's how to do your checkout links. You can go ahead and move on to the next video.